How to see locked profile on Facebook. How to see locked profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can see locked profile on Facebook or not. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, I have opened one of the accounts that is locked right now. You can see. So in order to access that profile, if you're wondering how to see a locked profile, it is important that you know that locked profiles are a privacy feature introduced by Facebook to give users more control over who can see their profiles. So when someone locks their profile, only people on their friend list can see their posts, photos, and other profile details. So if you're not on their friend list, you will see unlimited information, and there's no official or ethical way to bypass these privacy settings. But instead, what you can do is go ahead and add that friend. You can send a friend request on that particular person's account, and if you're not friends on the list, and if they accept it, you will be able to see more content of them. So if someone has locked their profile, it's usually because they want to keep their certain aspects of their profile private, and it is very important to respect people's privacy on social media. So if you're really looking and wondering on how to see a locked profile, there is unfortunately no such way for now. And if you're trying to use any kind of third-party applications or website that claims to help you unlock or view locked profiles, those are most probably scams, so be very cautious of it. For now, this information should probably help you, and therefore I hope this video was helpful. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.